Hi there, my name is Sean Kell. I'm an applications designer with MPAC Langen, and today I'm here to show you Cartoner 4.0, the Cartoner of the future. Cartoner 4.0 is MPAC Langen's concept Cartoner, and it derives its technologies from Industry 4.0. What we're seeking to accomplish with this concept is to demonstrate e-commerce packaging solutions, packaging on demand, and inventory reduction. This could be applied to different marketing sectors, from warehouse to manufacturing, small business, and pharma and healthcare. And I'll get into that in a little bit, but first I want to show you how the system functions. So I'm going to put one of our parts into the bin here. Now, you'll notice at the top we have an IR vision camera from Fanuc. So this is going to trigger the CR4IA to pick the product, which will send a signal to the CR7 and pick the corresponding carton. So we have a selection of different products programmed into the cell, so it's only ever going to pick the corresponding product and carton that have been programmed in. Now, once the CR4 has the product, the CR7 begins the erecting process. It feeds it through the railing assembly and brings it to the end, where it's going to position it for the loading process. Now, the speed that we're demonstrating here is about 1 carton per minute. Running these at full speed, we'd be able to achieve about 5 cartons per minute, and switching to the yellow industry standard robots, we'd be able to run to 15 to 20. Now, the reason we're going with the collaboratives is for a small footprint design with no fence guarding. You could accomplish something of similar footprint with the yellow robots if you were to engage with a 3D area scanner. Now, I mentioned about the market sectors for pharma and healthcare. So in pharma and healthcare, you're dealing with a low carton volume, but a high dollar value product. Packaging products continually into carton is a very repetitive task. If you have workers continually doing this, it's going to cause ergonomic risk to their hands. So by engaging in an autonomous solution like we have here with Cartoner 4.0, you're eliminating that and letting the worker focus on other tasks that are important to their job and daily activities. The system itself is able to operate without any human interference, and in fact, during operation, I can just go within the cell. And in fact, let me grab the product again and I'll show you just how the collaborative robots themselves function with that in mind. The collaborative robots from Fanuc utilize a force-sensitive base. That means any external force acting on the arms is going to stop the robot from working. So I can go in and touch the robot, there's no damage to myself, but as soon as I go and hit and cause a stop, the robot stops. That means if I was to go around to the other side again and say put my arm in when the robot's trying to pick the carton, it's going to feel that my hand is there. It's going to sense that there is a force offset and it's going to halt. So by engaging 2 collaborative robots with the vision, we now have a system that is able to pick any product put into the bin that's been programmed in. We have a system that can handle a wide variety of products, erect the cartons on demand, and it will only function if there is a product present. So suddenly you now have a very tight-knit solution for a small footprint area. And as I mentioned, this could be for pharma and healthcare, small business, manufacturing. There's a lot of applications that this can fit into. So with that in mind, if you have any questions or want more information on Cartoner 4.0, I'd encourage you to check out our website at mpac-group.com, and I'd like to thank you for letting us show you this demonstration of Cartoner 4.0.